Discovery Channel Ancient History, dramatic music plays, followed by a sound effect of an ancient structure crumbling. Imagine a civilization that flourished over 4,000 years ago, building structures that would stand the test of time. Welcome to the world of ancient Mesopotamia, where the very foundations of modern society were laid. Cut to images of ancient Mesopotamian artifacts. In the fertile plains of Mesopotamia, the Sumerians built one of the most advanced civilizations in human history. They invented writing, created sophisticated irrigation systems, and developed a sexagesimal system that we still use today to measure time. Cut to images of ancient Sumerian cities. The Sumerians built some of the most impressive cities of the ancient world, including Ur, Uruk, and Nippur. These cities were centers of trade, commerce, and culture, and were ruled by powerful kings who claimed divine authority. Cut to images of the Epic of Gilgamesh. One of the most famous Sumerian kings was Gilgamesh, who ruled Uruk around 2600 BC. His epic story, which tells of his adventures and quest for immortality, is one of the earliest surviving works of literature. Cut to images of ancient Mesopotamian law codes. The Sumerians also developed one of the earliest surviving law codes, which was later adopted by other Mesopotamian civilizations. This code, known as the Code of Ur-Nammu, established rules for social behavior and commerce that would influence the development of law in the ancient world. Cut to images of modern-day Mesopotamia. The legacy of ancient Mesopotamia can still be seen today, from the way we measure time to the way we write. But as we look out over the ruins of these ancient cities, we are reminded of the impermanence of civilization and the importance of learning from the past. Closing music plays. The story of ancient Mesopotamia is a testament to the ingenuity and creativity of our ancestors. As we continue to explore the ancient world, we are reminded of the power of human imagination and the importance of preserving our cultural heritage. And screen with a call to action, such as learn more about ancient Mesopotamia or subscribe for more history content.